Hey guys, today I'll show you how to make a Molotov cocktail in Project Zomboid. First, gather the ingredients you need, like gasoline in a container, an empty wine or beer bottle, and a dish towel, ripped sheet, or rag. Anything cloth will work. These are the standard components Molotovs are crafted from in the game. Once you've collected petrol, an empty bottle, and cloth, open your crafting menu by pressing B on the keyboard and searching for the Molotov, or right-click in your inventory with the cloth selected and look for the Make Molotov Cocktail option. It should show the required items and let you craft one Molotov if all are present. After crafting, the Molotov will appear in your inventory. To use it, you need a lighter in your secondary slot and the Molotov in your primary slot. When you throw it, the bottle breaks and creates a fire area of 3x3 tiles that spreads and burns anything it touches, including zombies, objects, and possibly you, so aim carefully. And that's how you make a Molotov cocktail in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.